Amanda with MarineMax, and we're here at the Boston Whaler factory. We're here with Jarrett. Jarrett, tell us a little bit about what you do here at Boston Whaler.
I'm a team leader. I've been here for about 5 years now.
So also, you're going to show us a little bit about the decal process. So in the decal, we mean the Boston Whaler sticker on your boat. So how does that get on the boat?
Well, it gets chosen on the PO from the customer, or depending on the color of the boat, certain boats actually get certain colors, and that determines the color of the decal. So to apply the decal, the first thing we do, we wipe the boat off with alcohol. The reason we wipe it off with alcohol is it does not leave a residue and it helps the sticker adhere better. The second thing we do is we'll mark it out with our fiberglass template. And with that, we'll peel the sticker, the backing off. The actual parts there, the actual bottom of the boat, where we want to stick that. You want to press it on nice and tight. And then careful and peel the sticker off. Come back, wipe off the pencil marks. And that's how you apply a new decal to a Boston Whaler.